Hi, hello guys, how are you? So, I will show you today how to update Admiralty Electronic Nautical Publication offline viewer by NavTor. So, this is very easy to update. Maybe less than 5 minutes, 2 minutes. So, let's go. So guys, on your computer, you can see Admiralty Electronic Nautical offline viewers. So to be able to update this application by NavTor, please insert. You need the navstick from navtor box. So where's our NavTor? So we will remove navstick from navtor box. Okay, and so we will insert here. Okay, and shortly, so automatically open the navstick. So just click OK, and you will see the display automatically open your AENP, and the updates are automatically generated. On the left side, all these of your books, and you can click the certificate. There we go. So my certificate update to week 22. So just print the certificate for your file. So this is the easy step. I think only 2 minutes. So just close this application. With AENP offline viewers, okay, and that's it. it is very easy. So guys, after you updating your AENP, don't forget to return the USB from navtor box at the back of your navtor box. Okay, that's it. Hope you learn something from my vlog. See you guys. Have a nice day.